Hey guys, welcome back towards Sneaky Sensei here on YouTube. Okay then guys, you're tuning in for a very cool video today actually. I've just managed to get my hands upon a new vlogging camera, and yes guys, there is another video of this one back over on my main channel, but with a alternate ending. So if you guys want to go and watch that one as well, there's a link of an annotation box popping up on the top of the left hand side right now. Please make sure you click on it to check it out, okay? So love you guys. Welcome back guys, I'm terribly sorry, but I had to quickly do something with the camera and I've just fixed it just now. Okay, so I thought to myself, you know, it might be a nice idea for us to do an unboxing of this awesome camera. And actually, I think that you guys out there should know actually, Sony is sort of like a really good company to work with, because I'm actually using one of their cameras right now, and this one is a handy camera one. This is one of the best ones actually I've ever used. But you're probably wondering to yourself, Sensei, if that is the case, then why did you go ahead and buy this camera for? And that's because basically I needed one for a vlogging system, okay? And as much as I love this Sony handy camera one, you know, it's only great for when you go out to like theme parks, or when you go out, you know, like short day trips, so to speak. But if you wouldn't want to become a vlogger, then I'm afraid though, then you need you seriously need like a proper camera. So this is the reason why I bought this one, okay? But anyway though, I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys are so far enjoying it, please leave us a thumbs up, like. If you want to ask me anything so far that I've mentioned at this entire video, please in the comment section below here to ask me. Okay then guys, so moving onwards. Love you guys. Okay, oh, by the way, if you guys are using scissors, please be careful, because I don't want no one out there cutting themselves, yelling at me, or cursing me, or there's an angry mob in the comment section below, okay? Love you guys. So always please be careful, okay? Love you guys. And actually, I'm a big fan of Sony's products, because I was taking knowing that my handy camera, which is like really good, I could easily vouch for Sony and say that they are pretty good company to work with, so to speak, I'm gonna say. Okay, hang on, sorry guys, one sec. Putting the scissors down, because I don't need that anymore, so to speak. And I hope that each and every one of you guys out there is doing a-okay and well. And I can't even believe it's 2018, and I really am sorry about the videos. The videos have been quite delayed. That's because yours truly is working upon something just for you guys, okay? Love ya. And I can't seem to get this box open now. Great, what is this? Come on, don't embarrass me. Ah, gotcha. Oh, ouch. Okay, cool, so what do we have here then? Okay, hang on, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna place the camera down for you guys. And I'm not sure. Hang on, let me just get rid of that. You bring you guys there. You bring you guys a bit downwards. So my stupid keyboard is in the way, so please forgive me. There we go. Okay, excellent. So let's just see how the camera is actually, because I have no idea. I mean, I did see this inside the store when I bought it from, but I haven't actually you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna, oh yikes, sorry, zoomed in. I am so sorry, completely zoomed in too much for you guys. So it's a pretty cool camera. I mean, it's a Sony, so I'm actually kind of looking forward, you know, now to start vlogging for you guys, and hopefully you guys out there might enjoy as much as I do, okay? Love ya. So guys, one sec. Okay. That is a camera. I mean, to be honest though, I mean, to be honest though, I'm kind of satisfied with Sony's product anyway, because they are like a pretty cool company. I mean, they are like a pretty cool company just to work with, I'm gonna say. So to be honest though, I'm kind of excited now. So now I can start vlogging for you guys. But please do bear in mind that if I am going to vlog for you guys, I'm going to try to make it much as entertaining and possible for you guys out there. So please do not be surprised if you don't see a video for like a few days or for like a few weeks, but I'm not going for months, okay? So hopefully within a month or so, you guys will have like 3 or 4 videos, you know, coming up to you guys, okay? Love ya. Oh, okay, oh, yikes. Sorry, I dropped something. Sorry, I dropped it. Sensei, what do you like? It's not my fault. I'm not a bad person. I think this is just the manuscript. I think. I'm not really sure. I could be wrong actually. Okay, why have you guys given me this? Oh crap, are you seriously freaking kidding me? Oh god, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put the camera, I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec. Check this out. Whoa, yikes. How massive is this? Seriously, so basically what it's telling me how to set up the camera, how to put the SD card in, how to run it, and guys, I already know that, thank you very much. Well, in my opinion, I think I already know how to set the camera up. Okay, cool, fair enough. So let's just put you guys down there because at the moment though, I think everyone wants to see what else this camera contains, so to speak. Sorry guys, oh yeah. Apparently I have heard actually, now loads of people are saying it, to start registering, you should always register your devices online for like other different types of benefits, software updates, notifications, tech and customer support, the policy update, and the products tutorials, and okay, fine then. Yeah, no, I think I will. I think I will take you guys up on that, so to speak. Okay, fair enough. Which is just fine. I mean, like, once again though, guys, I'm really sorry that it's taking me some time now to find a camera. It's just because basically I was just looking around. I got the plug actually. That is the plug. I've just been like looking around, trying to find like the right camera to fit in with my budget and to fit in with everything else around me, so to speak. So that's going to be quite interesting. What in the heck is? Oh, okay. That's the charger. Okay, that's the charger. That's the battery, which I have no idea why. I couldn't give me the battery for. Oh no, the batteries is for the camera. I'm so sorry. Sorry guys, sorry. Sensei's half asleep. Forgive me. The lead that you're supposed to connect to the camera to, so you can use your hand when. You guys kind of get the idea. Love you guys. And the USB port. Oh, okay, cool, fab, fantastic. Okay, cool, and yeah, that was it, guys. That was it. That was the entire box. That was what came inside the entire box. Sorry, guys, I was way too much zoomed in for you guys. I'm so sorry. So I suppose though you guys would like a full demonstration of how to set this up, and though to be honest though, guys, I'll be more than happy to show you guys, okay? Because I find it really fun. Because to be honest though, I think that's the whole point of me being here on YouTube, is just trying to help you guys out as well, trying to fix anything that you might not know how to do, so to speak. And hopefully I might not make a fool of myself. Okay, so please bear with us really for just a moment. So if I connect, so I think if I connect, yep, okay, cool. And actually do not panic, because I already have an SD card already ready, and it's actually inside my mini box. So yeah, I mean, I think I've got an SD card already set up, but it's inside my mini box as we speak. So I kind of think, I'm really hoping there's some space left into this memory card, because I always have these. I have these all lying around in my camera bag. I do so much, so I do collect SD cards just in case that, you know, I might need it for like situation like these, so to speak. So, oh, sorry guys, my apologies. Sensei, what are your manners? I'm so sorry. So if you guys don't know how to put an SD card in, always put it in facing like this, okay? And then it will surely help you out, okay guys? So, have I, no, you haven't jinxed yourself there, dude. Okay, cool, fab. So, let's turn it on and let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, okay, yeah, English, yes please, English. Oh, sorry, my bad. London, yes. Actually, what is today's date? Sorry guys, one sec. I have no idea. Hey Siri, what is today's date?
It's Tuesday, January 9th,
Thank you very much. So it is sorry guys, I'm trying to figure this out. No, he says, hey Siri! Sorry, what's the day today?
It's Tuesday, January 9th, 2018.
9. Sorry, my bad, guys. Oh, sorry, my bad. So sorry. I wish it was 2013, actually. I really wish it was. Hey Siri! What time is it?
It's 18:27.
18:27.
Sensei.
Thanks, Siri. Sorry, I haven't programmed upon Sensei. I do. So that's one cool thing about Siri, that much I do love the most. Sorry, guys. Let me put it to 28 actually, because it's going to be that. Okay. Yes, please. High standard resolution. Oh, wicked. Okay, cool. Cool. I hope that you guys are seeing this. Uh-oh, memory card is locked. Thanks, rabbit. Guys, back for a minute. Love you guys. And welcome back, guys. Okay, I am so sorry. I had to change the SD card because I have no idea what happened to that one. So I'm going to place in a new SD card, okay? And hopefully with my fingers crossed and touch wood, hopefully this might not embarrass me, okay? So we'll just have a quick look. Oh, wicked. Okay, awesome. Fantastic. So it works. Night vision. Are you seriously freaking kidding me? Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Bear with me for 2 minutes. I have night vision on this? Oh, that is freaking awesome. That is. Oh, hello. No. Not you, Sensei. We'll come back to that later. Okay, cool. So... sorry guys, so sorry. It looks pretty decent, I'm gonna say. Yeah, it really does. It looks like really nice. Oops, sorry. Okay, cool. So stop filming. Okay, so let's see if we can watch it. Oh god, battery's low battery. Oh crap, sorry guys, one sec. Okay guys, you know what I'm going to do actually? I'm going to recharge this for a little while and then I'll probably come back to you guys then, okay? So I'll see you guys in a bit. Love ya.